What's up guys, hope you're doing fine. This is your Big Daddy Rocks and welcome again for another video. Today we will be featuring this year's Visita Iglesia. The first parish that we're going to visit is the Our Lady of Fatima parish. The Our Lady of Fatima parish is located at Mustang Road, Pusok, LAPU-LAPU City, Cebu. Next is we're going to visit the Santo Niño de Cebu, Matan parish. This parish is located at Matan, LAPU-LAPU City, Cebu. The third parish that we're going to visit is the Sacred Heart of Jesus parish. This parish is located at Pahak, LAPU-LAPU City, Cebu. Next is we're going to visit the Our Lady of the Sacred Heart Parish. The fifth parish that we're going to visit is the San Roque Parish, located at Cordova City, Cebu. Next is we're going to visit the Mother of Perpetual Health Parish. This parish is located at Babagdos, LAPU-LAPU City, Cebu. The last parish that we're going to visit is the Virgen de la Regla Parish, located at Poblacion, LAPU-LAPU City, Cebu. And now it's time to hear our shoutouts. nice video and cool voiceover from @user. Thank you @user for supporting our channel. Nice one, Jer. Kudos, Big Daddy Rocks from Mark Anro. Shout out to you, Mark Anro. Thank you for supporting our channel. The ambience was so refreshing. Thanks @Big Daddy Rocks from Glossarin Balloon Kit. Thank you, Mommy Glossarin Balloon Kit, for always supporting our channel. If you want to be mentioned on our next video, please comment down below. So that's it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. So, bye for now and see you again on our next video.